Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and today I'm gonna share with you how to make very simple yet elegant Christmas garland. Without further ado, let's get started. For this project we're gonna need two big and bushy cedar branches, some battery operated wire lights. Mine was very affordable, it cost only $3.99 and I've bought them from B&M. You will also need a measuring tape, floristic wire, secateurs, pliers and gloves. I'm so super excited about this garland, so let's get started. At the beginning we need to establish the length of our garland. My garland will lay on a mantle which is approximately 130 centimeters long. I wanted to have around 20 centimeters of overhang for my garland at each side. It means that the total length of it should be around 170 centimeters. Remember to double check your measurements before making any cuttings. Then simply establish where is the best point to combine these two branches and start to tangle the wire around them. You will feel like this takes an ages, but it's very important to do it tight. Don't worry, you will enjoy the next steps more. Add smaller branches in spaces where the wire is visible or where you feel is necessary. Now it's the fun part. Wrap your battery operated lights around the garland. Don't forget about your batteries. I didn't want the lights to be too close together, that's why I've made bigger spaces between loops, but you can do it as you desire and go with the flow. And here you have it, your own garland. You can be proud of yourself. Over Christmas, I've used it as a garland on top of the mantle, but it looks even better as a table decoration, so it stayed there on New Year's Eve. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this DIY tutorial. I really like making this one and love how it's turned out. If you enjoyed watching it, please to make sure to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. If you already subscribed, big thank you and see you next one. Bye! Happy New Year!